Hiya everyone, so today we've got a quick unboxing video for you of the Eazy RC 1/18 Arizona crawler. So let's open it up and have a look, see what we get. Sold quite a few of these in the past, so they're a really good price. They're actually on sale at the moment, so if you're thinking about getting one, now is probably the best time because they are quite cheap. But let's have a look. So yeah, pretty good packaging, very colourful. Obviously the truck of the kit itself is yellow. Let's have a look, take it out. Okay, there we go. There she is. Oh, okay, that's that. Then under there we've got a little bit of an instruction manual. Very important little tip there: if it's not in use for a long time, unplug it. Don't leave it plugged in, otherwise it'll kill the battery. So it's nice to put that in there for no one to read. That's your handset, so cheap and cheerful. Got a little bag here, and this has got a little USB charge lead, as you can see, for the battery in the car. And then we've got just a little wheel wrench, which I'm guessing at least one of these fit the wheels. Yep. So overall, how does it look? So it looks quite nice. They're, you know, it's a good little size. We class these as Lego crawlers or indoor crawlers. Obviously you can use them outside. They're not really waterproof, and they've not got a great deal of ground clearance, so they're not going to do anything massively sort of all-terrain, if that makes sense. So if you pop the bonnet up, you'll see. So inside there, you've got your servo, your main board, and then your battery just tucked away at the back. Obviously, it's quite neat that way. I quite like the fact that it's all in the front end, and then the bonnet pushes down and clicks into place, which again is in itself quite nice. The suspension is, yeah, I mean, seems alright. There's no inserts in the tyres, which is a bit of a shame. So they are just really soft, which I know it's a light crawler, so you don't want thick, like firm inserts, but you want some insert in. It looks great. I'm going to pair it up and have a quick play, give it a quick charge first and see what it can do. I'm going to end up modifying this one. I've brought it intentionally to modify and do a bit of a custom paint job, maybe change the wheels and tyres. It is predominantly going to be an indoor crawler, if I'm being honest. I don't think I'll take it outside, particularly if it's wet. I might take it in the garden if it's a dry day and I get a chance. But yeah, overall, it looks a great bit of kit for the money. I think the only thing you need to complete it is AA batteries for your handset. That is it. This would make a really good Christmas gift, either for your husband or your son, or even your daughters. You know, anyone that's interested in RC. This is great, particularly over winter when everyone's going to be spending a bit more time indoors, away from the cold and the wind and the rain. Perfect if you've got kids in the house that have got Lego. You can use Lego to build little courses for these. So yeah, fantastic. I'd have a look at these. Definitely worth looking at as a bit of a Christmas gift for someone. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'll do a bit of a run with one, and we'll see what they can do. Take it easy.